What's going on, DX family? Well, we have a little dent in here from when I kicked it a few years ago. And we're going to see if the plunger thing works. First, add water. Oh, get nice and wet.
Yeah.
Moonshine, I mean what?
Oh yeah.
Oh, plunger.
We get the plunger. You see this dent right here, it's in. All you gotta do is slap it on there and there you go.
It works.
It works. It ain't a myth, it actually does work.
That's our little helpful tip for today.
Yep.
Oh wait, there's one right here too, looks like.
I don't know if I can get that. Oh, let's try.
Oh
no, I can't. Okay, if any of them are on the edge right here of your tailgate, you definitely cannot get that unless you are to take apart the tailgate and hammer it out, which I don't even think that's possible. No.
But at least you can get the main dents out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and also make sure you clean the plunger off.
Yeah, you don't want no duty stains on there, unless you want to save some food for later.
Hope y'all guys enjoy. Give us a thumbs up. Especially give us 5 likes for this dance. Oh.
I'll take the plunger to my brother and let him do the dance, and I will. Oh yeah. Do 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 do.
Subscribe.